The third quadrant in the previous post is performance. There is the perceived performance, and the performance itself. In this video we will address the performance. More specifically, about sharpening your skills. In a physical activity, it would be practice, practice, practice. In your line of work, it is more likely to sharpen your skills. The why should be obvious, but we all tend to forget the basics. Better skills will increase your productivity and your value, which translate in more income and respect. A simple example: did you ever run into trouble trying to do some plumbing or electrical work at home? Did you know how to do it exactly? Did you have the right tools? What was it like? How long did it take, or did you even succeed? If you got fed up, or incapable of finishing, did you call a plumber or an electrician? What happened? Did he solve the problem in half, a fifth of the time you had already spent without success? What is the difference? Did you see him apply magic? He knew what to do, and with the right tools? How did you feel about that plumber or electrician? Most of us are simply impressed. And suddenly, you enjoy the moment. Solved. You might not like his rate better, but you understand. That is what we call respect. This is what you should always be aiming for, acquiring more respect for your skills. It is easy to understand that if you want to increase respect, increasing your skills will inevitably help. Our suggestion: list your needed skills by order of importance, and plan to improve them on a regular basis. Set aside a planned period of time, each month, where you will work on your skills, starting with the one that you think has the most leverage. Try that for 2-3 months and see for yourself where it leads you. Thank you for watching. See you in another presentation on tips for freelancers.